This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Regina Santori. Gorgeous custom railings, open floor plan, tons of natural light, large windows, huge, private fenced yard, no neighbors behind you, large entertaining deck, great fireplace room, large home office space and lower level, great neighborhood pool and rec you can join. Do you enjoy little DIY weekend projects? Then you can make this great home sparkle. Nearly all the heavy lifting has been done for you, just put the finishing touches on it. Roof 2010, HVAC 2017, water heater 2017, electrical panel 2017, stainless induction range 2018, refrigerator 2020, sliding glass door 2022. All stair treads and riser plates are stained and painted and numbered, and ready for install. Washer, dryer and outdoor kennel do not convey. So convenient to Cedar Bluff shopping, schools, and activities. For more information, review the details below or contact Regina Santori at 865-584-4000.